Hello everyone, Claudia Magilke here with my partner Jerry Beasley. We're with Gulf Coast Luxury Real Estate powered by Epique Realty. Now I want to tell you something. We're at a new development over here and I need you to go on our website and on our YouTube page so that you can see the homes that were constructed and walk in the inside. Now this is a new subdivision, comes with all brick homes. They're offset, private area, 0.34 of an acre. Same thing as the other homes, granite blinds, custom crown molding, pull down stairs, you name it, bells and whistles, lots of incentives. And the bonus on this subdivision is right down here are going to be 3 custom 1-acre homes. And this facility has nothing around it as far as nobody's going to be behind you, building around you. Oh, and let me tell you the extra part on this. Every home has a fenced yard included in the price. Now, this subdivision is going to go really, really quickly, and it's located here in Milton, Florida.
And it comes with a paved road, right?
Yes, it does right now. Right now, this is all new construction. So here's the deal. If you get in here now, you won't be able to pick your brick, but you will be able to pick your cabinet colors, your flooring, your carpet, if you want carpet, all that other good stuff.
Well,
And
Claudia,
look.
thanks for coming out here and showing us this. And
Absolutely. Contact Claudia Magilke at 850-485-0353, newhomessalespensacola.com, or call Jerry Beasley at
850-468-0455.
GulfCoastLuxuryRealEstate.com. We've got you covered.